Hello there, I am Morten, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the GatewayAPI plugin for WordPress's feature for importing recipients from any spreadsheet. Now all you gotta do is create a spreadsheet which has a basic structure. What it needs is a name column, a country code, and a phone. So say you don't have a country code, but you have a phone field, then you need to extract the country code into its own column, or perhaps just create a new column with the country code in it. And if you have any extra information you want to import as well, create the fields, the extra fields. This was shown in a previous video, and then you can import these information as well. But let's go ahead and copy this. That's how you import. You just copy all the rows you want, and you paste it into the import recipients page. In this big text area, just ignore that the columns doesn't align. It doesn't matter. It'll be parsed correctly. So let's see what happened. It has a name. So what we're doing now is actually mapping the information, which means the columns from the spreadsheet with the columns within the GatewayAPI plugin. So the name maps to name, mobile country code maps to country code, mobile number maps to phone, and number of toys maps to number of toys. So we can also assign the people we're importing now into the groups. So let's say that everybody we're importing now likes Star Wars. So you can see everybody got imported. This can handle very large amounts of people. It'll just crunch ahead and do a bunch at a time of around 100. And you can see it added 2 new recipients. It didn't update anyone because none of the phone numbers existed already. Let's just try and import once again. This time, let's add Legos. And we can see this time it updated the recipients because everybody existed already, so it didn't add any new ones, but it updated 2 of the recipients. Let's go to the recipients database and see that we correctly have Yari and Birol Yari, Legos and Star Wars, Legos and Star Wars. Exactly like we expected. Let's try and change a piece of information. Let's say that Yari has updated his profile, is now named Yari Yarisen. So let's copy this over. And let's see what has happened. As you can see, Yari is now named Yari Yarisen, and he is still existing with the same phone number and not the other information we have. Now let's see, we also added an extra field, a number of toys. Let's see if Yari has the right number of toys. And yes, he has. So, well, this is basically it. And I hope that this is a feature that you'll be happy with. So have a great day. Bye-bye.